Hey guys, it's Jennah. So in today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to show you guys a few different ways I like to style my hair when I'm putting it up in a bun. And I posted a few videos on TikTok with a few different buns, and almost all the comments were asking for a bun tutorial, and I didn't want to make one on there just because that's not my style videos I like to put on TikTok. So I thought I'd just make a YouTube video out of it, so here we are. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure to head down, go subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a brand new YouTube video. I also have an Instagram if you guys want to go follow that too, or if you guys don't follow it already, it's just JXO Productions, or it'll also be linked in the description. Don't really have anything else to say, so let's get right into the video. First bun we're going to start off is the bun that I'm mostly known for, and this bun is seen on TikTok, Live Me, I don't know, literally just a bunch of different places, and don't really know what to call this one, but a few people call it the Jennah potato bun. All I'm going to do is flip my head over and gather my hair on top of my head, and then with my scrunchie, I'm going to pull it through as if I'm making a ponytail. And then on the second time that I go around, I'm going to not pull my hair all the way through and then leave some out, so it kind of looks like it's like a little potato, I don't know. And then all I'm going to do is just fan out the little potato, or whatever you guys want to call it, fan out the hair, there we go. Next thing I'm going to do is just take my scrunchie from the back and push my bun forward, and then you can fan out your bun more if you want, and then pull out pieces around your face to frame your face, and voila, there you go. Next bun, I don't really know what to call it either. Honestly, I don't have a name for any of these buns, but next one I'm just gonna call the I don't know bun, the kind of wing it bun, because this bun isn't gonna turn out always perfect, and it kind of isn't supposed to be perfect because it is, again, a messy bun. So all I'm gonna do is take a regular hair tie, a black hair tie, or whatever matches your hair color, whatever suits you. And then I'm gonna kind of do what I did with the last bun and take it, but I'm not gonna pull it through it all the first time. I'm just gonna kind of gather my hair. I'll put it in slow-mo too, so you can kind of see what I'm doing, you know what I mean? Because this one's kind of hard to explain. It's kind of more of you see it and just try to copy what I'm doing. And then after I kind of get it together on how I want it, you might need to tuck in some hair if you have longer hair because it will get a little messy. And then you're going to take some bobby pins and just pin them wherever you need to. And that completes it for the I don't know what I'm doing buns. Okay, if I'm being real for like 2 seconds, this bun never turns out like this. Usually it's just kind of whack, and I just have to go with my potato bun because it never turns out like this. So I got lucky for the video. Alright guys, so for this next bun, I call this kind of the sock bun, but you're not using a sock and you're not using one of those bun thingy-majiggies, you know what I'm talking about? Probably not. So all I'm going to do is just flip my head over, gather my hair on top of my head, and all you gotta do, this one's probably the easiest bun out of this entire bun tutorial thing. All you're going to do is take your hair and wrap it around in a circle on top of your head, and then all you're going to do is take your hair tie or scrunchie, whatever you're using, and tie it around. And if there's any flyaways too, I know my hair now, since I don't have as long as hair, I'm gonna have to use bobby pins, and then all you're gonna do with the bobby pins is just pin them in place and pin your bun down. And this bun is the bun that I use when my hair is oily or something, my hair is greasy, and I don't feel like doing whatever other bun, because I feel like this bun's, for one, the easiest bun to do, and for two, it works. And then I'm gonna be taking hairs around my face just to frame your girl's face, and voila, you are done with the third bun. Alrighty guys, for the last bun, this is going to be kind of similar, I think, to the second bun that I did in this tutorial. The only thing that's going to be different is that it's going to be a low bun, and you're just going to put it down right at the bottom of your neck, and then all you're going to be doing is gathering your hair to the back of your head and doing the same exact thing that you did for that other bun, as you can see in the video. And then this bun is going to be super, super messy, but honestly, I do this one when I'm going to school, and I just really don't care if it's messy or not. But you can also bobby pin it too if you want. I just leave it, and then if there's any hair, I kind of just tuck it. I turn my bun and I tuck the hair to be at the bottom so it's not flying all over the place. And then all I'm gonna be doing is framing my face like I did with other buns. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments which bun you like the most. Just be like 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me know which one you guys like the most. And if you guys are not already subscribed, make sure to head down, go subscribe, turn on the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a brand new YouTube video. All my social medias will be linked in the description if you guys want to go check them out or follow me. They'll be down there for you. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. So, bye.
Watch me fade every day in the morning. 2 AM, yeah, I'm sipping and I'm zoning. Watch me move, watch me sway, watch me dip out.